Once upon a time, in a quiet little village, there lived an elderly couple. They had no children of their own, but they shared their home with a devoted and loving dog named Max. Max was more than just a pet. He was family. One day, while the old man was working in his garden, he noticed Max digging excitedly in the dirt. Curious, the man picked up his shovel and began digging alongside him. To his surprise, his shovel struck something hard. With his wife by his side, he uncovered an old chest filled with shining gold coins. The couple could hardly believe their eyes. Their beloved dog had led them to a hidden treasure. But their good fortune did not go unnoticed. Their young neighbor, who had been watching from a distance, became jealous. That night, while the couple slept, the envious neighbor lured Max away with treats and secretly kidnapped him. The next morning, when the couple awoke, they were heartbroken to find Max missing. The neighbor lied, saying he had seen Max run toward the city. While the couple searched for him, the neighbor forced Max to dig in his own garden. To his shock, Max uncovered another treasure chest, one even bigger than the first. Satisfied, the neighbor returned Max to the old couple's yard before they came home. Later that day, the neighbor, still greedy for more, offered to take Max for a walk. But something strange happened. When Max saw the neighbor, he spoke in a human voice. "This man is bad. I will never go anywhere with him." Only the neighbor could hear Max's words, while the couple heard nothing more than barking. The neighbor, terrified, insisted that the dog was talking like a human. The old couple thought he was imagining things. Determined to expose what he believed was witchcraft, the neighbor brought the village elder and other villagers to witness Max's magic. He begged the dog to speak again, and once more Max told him off in plain words. Yet, to everyone else, Max only barked. The elder dismissed the neighbor's claims, saying the couple were kind people, not wizards. In his desperation, the neighbor revealed that he had kidnapped Max and forced him to dig in his own garden where another chest had been found. But when he opened the chest in front of everyone, the gold he had seen earlier had turned into nothing but sand. The villagers were outraged. They saw the neighbor's jealousy and deceit for what it was, and the elder banished him from the village in shame. From that day on, the old couple lived peacefully with Max, their loyal and clever dog who had brought them both joy and unexpected fortune.